how to get trade tokens in Clash Royale for free. So if you want to get trade tokens in Clash Royale for free, then just watch this video. First, you need to open up your Clash Royale. First things first, you want to go ahead and check out the global tournaments here in Clash Royale. Now, Clash Royale and Supercell host 2 global tournaments every single month. Each one of those is going to reward 2 trade tokens of every single rarity. So if you play and rank high enough, you'll do great. Make sure to grind those out. Now, on top of that, you can also buy trade tokens from the shop. But obviously, that costs money. So I recommend sticking to tournaments if you want them for free. Now, obviously, trade tokens are super useful, or swapping cards, especially cards that you don't need with your coin mates, especially legendary one. So just go and stock up on tokens the smart way for free. And that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.